friends, it's Liz, the official craft nerd, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very quick and easy sign, and I am using all items are from the Dollar Tree. So yes, I do still use their products from time to time. I still have quite a bit of their items in my storage. So I will use Dollar Tree items in my crafts from time to time. I just, like I stated in my last video, it's not my favorite place to shop, but apparently that ruffled some feathers for some, and there's no harm, no foul. I'm not, putting anybody down if they choose to use Dollar Tree. That is completely your prerogative of where you're going to buy your craft items. And I never once said that I would never shop at Dollar Tree for items. I just prefer not to at this point. But that's just me. And it's fine, you guys. Like, I love each and every one of y'all that come by and even take the time to watch the videos and leave comments. And, that's what's great about YouTube is there's so many different creators out there, and we all do our own thing. And not everybody is meant for everyone. We're not everybody's cup of tea, and that's okay. So, but for y'all that are here, you come because you definitely know me. You know how I like to work, and I appreciate that. If you're new, I definitely hope you stick around and enjoy, the things that I can create and help you learn how to do. This project, again, is so easy. The sign itself I found in, I believe it was like their $3 section, and this is a transfer that is over with their normal transfers. And again, of course, Dollar Tree is no longer just $1. It was like $1.25. So I'm using this particular one just to test it out. I've never used these before, so I wasn't sure how it was going to, take to the wood. And something that I learned on a previous video was adding heat to my transfers definitely helps in the transfer process. So that's why you see me kind of going over it with the heat gun. And then I'm just going to take just this little spatula doohickey thing that I have and my little Cricut little pointer tool, which you guys have probably seen me use like many times before on random projects. But I'm just going to go over this and have this transferred onto my wood sign. I am going to speed this up because we do not need to watch 30 minutes of me scraping this onto this board, but you guys get the idea of it, and we'll take a look and see how well it came off. Okay, you guys, so as you can tell, it looked like it was coming off super easy. So, moment of truth, voila, look at that, you guys. I was very impressed with this particular transfer. It's been hit or miss with the Dollar Tree type of transfer, so I wasn't too sure. And this type of paper it's on, it's almost like a parchment paper. And yeah, I don't know if I'm just going to say the heat did help it, but it just seemed extremely easy to put on. So with that being done, my next step for this is I'm going to stain it. I'm going to use good old-fashioned antique wax by Waverly, and I am just going to basically put a coat of this on and wipe it down. So I am going to go over the edges of this sign as well as do the back too. Now, what's really cool about this particular sign that I picked up, you can flip it back and forth. So the way that hanger is, it looks, you can definitely make this into a two-sided sign, which is fantastic. So I feel like having a couple of these, especially with the holidays coming up, where you can just kind of like, flip it from, a Thanksgiving piece to a Christmas piece or something with Halloween or whatever. It's very, very versatile. So this is a piece that I am happy that I found at Dollar Tree, and it would be something I would probably pick up again. But yeah, it is definitely versatile, and that's why I'm just going to go ahead and cover this back as well. So if I want to come back later and change it up and put something new on there. This is kind of a simpler sign for me, especially with, the majority of the projects that I do are shabby chic or vintage influenced. But I wanted to do something very simple, very easy. Not everybody is into the over an abundance of the shabby chic style with a lot of, lace and flowers and pearls and just all of that wonderful stuff, that makes it so shabby chic. I know a lot of people do like to have a little more simple, nothing too in your face. And this is one of those types of pieces that is that. Now you can add to this if you wanted to add some bows, maybe some flowers to it, you totally can. I just, for this, project itself, wanted it to be simple and easy so anybody can do it. And it's, again, super, super affordable because these pieces alone, I spent less than $5, if you think of tax and everything. It was all of $4.25 plus tax. So it was less than $5. And I've had the Waverly, that paint has been around forever. So super easy, super quick to do. And anybody can get these items or try to get these items and, make a project like this. So that's about it, guys. I feel like I've talked enough. I know I probably could go on a little bit, kind of defending my stance on where I choose to shop and where I don't and all of that. But, it's not necessary, you guys. You know me, you know how I roll. And, if you're new, I really appreciate you guys being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the final project, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show me some love, leave a comment down below, and I will definitely have something out here very soon again. And yeah, until next time, you guys, stay safe. I love y'all. Bye.